Good morning, guys. Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Where are we going?
Museum.
Ooh, Davy looks so ready. You ready, Fam? What is that?
Please, we're here. Davy, we're here.
You excited?
You excited? Yeah.
All right,
Yeah. Look at that turtle. Also, look at that deer.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go inside. Look at that. Look at all that. That's so cool. I love it. It's so cute.
Today is the first of the month, so we would pay regularly $33 for all of us. But because today is the first of the month with Bank of America, you can pick a museum and go. So in total, I pay $18 for all of us. I thought that was cool.
Look at the elephant bird. It's so cute. It's an extinct animal. And it's eating eggs for it. It's so cool. It's only like 50 and more blades. So.
What?
It's a humpback whale. It says, did you know these?
Are you ready? Where's your brother?
Take this one.
Tavi, let's go.
Ready?
This right here is the nature nook. The kids went in, they colored, they heard a story all about birds. They move around magnets on the wall. It was pretty cool. Are you talking to him? It's a gray fox. A gray fox. What is this? A weasel? This right here is the planetarium. Adriana went in to watch the stars. As you can see, Taviar sat out with me because he was scared. This is the floor. All right.
There is still availability for showings throughout the day. Our next showing is at 11 a.m. If you are interested at 10. Yeah, it's one of those days. At noon, if you are interested in tickets, please come to the front desk. Tickets are available for
Ready? Let's race. Let's
Go,
race.
Age.
Ready, set,
nice
go.
sky like you've never seen
Go, Tay.
before.
Go.
Tickets available for $3 for the Sky Lab in our Eater exhibition hall. Thank you.